on today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Which one of you ladies want to be ridden today? Looks like the Lifan KPX250 today. Let's see how much it weighs. Now I got those scales. .5, 238.5, 339 pounds. That's what the KPX weighs. Yeah, I like a flat seat better. So I think when I run up north, I'm grabbing that Tau seat. See if I can make it work on that Cross Country 300. Pretty nice out today. I think it's about 68. Not quite no jacket weather. So the rear suspension on this is definitely softer. Front feels about the same. Of course, I'm comparing it to the RPS 300 Cross Country. I do bottom out the rear suspension. And I've only bottomed out the front suspension on the Cross Country 300 once. I've never bottomed out the rear suspension on the 300 Cross Country yet. But all I had was some pretty good whoops on that trail. Bike feels a little slow after riding that Cross Country 300. This won't pull the front wheel. First gear, hammered, will not lift the front tire off the ground. Second gear, if I feather the clutch hard, it still won't do it. I could probably bounce it up. I'll show you. This will not lift first gear off just throttle only. Ready? And then if I feather second, it won't lift it. It won't even come up. So it's quite a big power increase on that 300 4-valve liquid cooled. So Lifan's gonna have to put their version on one of these bikes now. Still a good bike. I like it. Comparing these two, they're basically the same weight. Power-wise, Cross Country 300's got to beat by a long run. Comfortability-wise, I like this flat seat. I cut all the humps off of the other bikes. The Hawks, the TBRs, the Bras. So I even told the people from RPS they should come out with a flat seat because people would buy them. But instead, they added to the hump. They doubled down on the hump, which is crazy. The Bras seat will not work. It has a different system the way it bolts on and it hooks to the tank. It doesn't hook underneath like the Hawks and all those. So when I head north to drop off my Jeep for corrosion repair, I am going to grab that TBR seat and see how that works. It's really the only thing I don't like about that bike so far. It makes you feel like you're scrunched up a little bit to me. And I put the handlebars pretty far forward. Feels kind of slow compared to the 300 Cross Country. It's still fun to ride. Looks like the gearing is about the same. This speedometer to hair off too. Brother. Oh, that thing's beat. That's a taxi? What the heck is that thing? Crank up my song.
Vin Diesel rides, the wind at his side. Two wheels hum on a blacktop tide. Dust kicks up as the sun sinks low. Through country roads where the wild winds blow. Oh, Vin Diesel on his iron horse. Fast corners call, he stays the course. The rumble sings, the engines hum, the road bends wide.
That's a big crane. Oh, look at that. That's where they're going to be crossing with the bridge. Suncoast Parkway. You might see Vonzi out cruising one of his bikes today. He's not up there. What do you think? Should I take the Cruiser 250 out? I haven't taken that 250 out in a while. I just charged the battery back up on that. Boy, that dirt pile, it's getting bigger, huh? Yeah, look at it. Doubled. Tripled almost.
Lucky to rust or a brand new machine. Once around the block and you'll know what I mean.
There's that van. That thing is a wreck. I hear him coming. Nice tires on there. Boy, they keep their grass green. Brother. He knows he was trying. The road is lava. Yeah, they're moving right along on that. I don't know, KPX. You might be dethroned. Got to get a few more miles on that Cross Country 300. Because this has been my favorite China bike, you know, as far as dual sports go. But if I can get that flat seat on there, we will see. But the KPX may be dethroned. Brother, sister. It's okay, KPX. I still like you. You're still one of my favorite. Sugar Sand's gonna sugar sand. That was fun, Lifan. 23.1 miles. That was a good little cruise.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.